Guys, I just arrived in Durres and I already found this amazing restaurant. Look at this, we have some pasta with truffle and pecorino cream. And we have a beautiful view on the other side. Down there we have the beach. Look at the sun shining, reflecting in the sea. And we have the people down there swimming in the sea. This place is called Vertigo. I just found it on Google Maps, it had good reviews. And I could see there was some kind of view, but this is not what I expected. And it's not especially expensive, maybe a bit more expensive than normal for Albania. But nothing like crazy expensive. Now let's try the pasta. That's really good, that's really good. I have to admit it's a rather small portion, but for me that's fine. I'm trying not to eat too much now anyway, especially with this hot weather. You can see, guys, I was seated here. Looked really nice to have another balcony here. And the restaurant looks really nice. You have a lot of space at the window. Thank you, sir. Are we going back down? This restaurant is really nice, and wow, I can hear myself talking here with this roof. So in the end I paid 1,130 lek, which is a bit less than 11 euro for pasta with truffle and the Coke. That's expensive for Albania, but still very affordable for someone from like Europe or the States. So if you want to come to this place, you just go to this elevator, Vertigo. And here outside it's pretty clear as well. Vertigo Bar, Restaurant and Pizzeria. It doesn't look very fancy, but I do advise it. And my hotel is right next to it. It's right here. It's called Nice Beach Hotel. We have room 601, not very visible from this key. Here more or less. So we're going to the 6th floor. That's the room, guys. Nice and fresh because I switched on the air conditioning before. So we have a room here with 2 beds. We have a little table where I can get some work done. Here we have the other room. This is where I'm gonna sleep. We have the double bed. We have a lot of storage space. That's really nice. And we even have a little balcony. On this side we just have the view on the blocks. We have a hill here and there are a lot of cables. Seems like it's just going from that pole to all the apartments up there and here as well. I wonder if that's just for electricity or there is some other reason. It's kind of a mess there, what the hell? Never seen something like that. And then I'm just going to show you the bathroom. Quite simple bathroom, but decent. This is the shower. I have a toilet. I have everything we need, and this is as well the bidet. That's typical here in Albania. This room costs 36 euro per night and breakfast is included. Alright guys, we're out in the streets of Durrës here, the second biggest city of Albania, and this one is at the seaside. Look at that, the sun is burning, it's reflecting in the Mediterranean Sea. And look at that, guys, everyone is here at the beach tanning. It's absolutely beautiful. Most of the beaches are private here though, like this is private, there's private as well, only this little stretch here. Seems like that's the only part where you can freely go. And my hotel is not at the beach, it's actually in one of these buildings here, which means we don't have direct beach access. But we can come to this little part here. Here you can see that's the Vertigo Restaurant, that's all the way up there at the top. And this is my hotel, where I'm staying at the 6th floor on the other side of the building. I walked a bit further along the coastline and we came to this very nice area. We have some very trendy bars here all around. This area definitely looks more fancy. We have all the people here laying at the beach. And we have the steps here, which seems to be used for some kind of performances. We have all the sitting bags. And I guess this here is the stage. We have some statues here as well. And this hotel is not finished yet. Doesn't look like they will finish it anytime soon. Let's go up the stairs here. Up. People are swimming here. Wow. I should have taken my swimming pants. I really feel like diving in here now. It looks really nice. Looks like they put so many things on this little stretch here. So many people. And here the other side, that's toward the center of Durrës. You can see in the back there is a huge port. They also have ferries to Italy here. Let's walk down here, guys, carefully. We have a man fishing here. This is the Mediterranean Sea. Further there is Italy. I'm not sure if you can sometimes see it from here because it's quite a distance, but if you look on the map, I think here it's one of the closest points. It's the smallest distance between the two mainlands. Some people are arriving here to make some wedding pictures. Looks really beautiful. So I guess this is one of the main spots to make beautiful pictures here in Durrës. But we're not here for making pictures. We are here to explore the city. So we're gonna leave this beautiful area, the beach side, and we're gonna continue here along the seaside to see what more is there in Durrës. This is a statue of a fisherman and some tourists posing with it. And I don't know what's this man doing here. He's taking something out of the water. Hello.
Hello.
What are you taking? What is this?
For fishing.
For fishing? You use it for fishing?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So he's taking some things from the sea that he will use to catch the fish later. We're now just continuing along the boardwalk towards the center of Durrës. And here it's really lined up with all types of restaurants where you can eat delicious seafood. It definitely feels like these places are upper class, like a bit more expensive than the usual Albanian restaurants. Here we have a little Luna Park, which is closed. A few shops here selling hats, jewelry, sunglasses, magnets as well. Here as well. Doesn't look like they have a lot of clients now. We have arrived here at the most famous part of the boardwalk in Durrës. This area is called the Volga, and here the boardwalk is really wide. You don't just have the walking path here, you have like a huge square and a lot of green, a little bit like a park. I have to say that a lot of the trees look a bit dead now, so it's not as green as I've seen it on pictures before. And there's actually a little beach here as well. There are not too many people there, mostly old people. It's not really a beach, it's more like rocks and sand. Actually, I'm not really sure what it is. Let's have a look. I'm honestly not really sure what it is. Is it something that comes out of the sea, or was it put here by humans? It looks like it's coming out of the sea. What is this? Can I touch it? That's really weird, guys. Does this come out of the sea? It's like a really hard ball. Very strange. So this comes out of the sea? That's very hard to imagine. But it's all there. Very strange, guys. I've never seen anything like this at the beach. And here as well we have people fishing. We have people in the water there on the pedalo. That's what I want to do as well. Some paddling in the water, but I'm not sure where they got it from. There are a few more there in the water. But when I was passing by there, I didn't see any place where you can actually rent them. Here's some old guy and his bicycle modeling for someone making pictures. And we have a playground that looks quite new. And there are many kids enjoying it. And you see even here there's someone laying at this beach. Oh guys, what's happening here? We have a flute player. So we have the flute player there. I was trying to make a video. I was actually just walking towards him and he just stopped playing. He was like you have to give me money. Well, I don't know what he was saying, but he was like pointing to some coins that he had laying out there, and he was like acting angry, like I have to pay. He didn't even give me the opportunity to give him something. I was walking from the other side towards him. Probably I would have given something after I made a little video. He plays here in the public space. When I give it, it's out of sympathy as well. And this guy is not sympathetic at all. Now he starts playing again. We are leaving the Volga behind us because we are arriving here in the heart of Durrës. And there's a lot going on here, guys. We have this beautiful statue here in the middle of the roundabout. We have the old historic watchtower and a piece of the old wall. Behind there we have a skyscraper which looks crazy. Look at that, it's totally damaged. It almost looks like it's going to fall apart. There on the other side of the roundabout they're constructing a very fancy bridge. You can see the bridge is already constructed, but they're still like finishing the roof and you cannot cross the bridge yet. Let's go a bit closer to the action here. Wow, look at this abandoned building. We can just walk in here. Wow, and all the walls are broken. Let's have a look if we can go up this tower. I've seen some people up there, so it should be possible.
No, this man.
Those are some very big steps to go up here. But not that many. It's not very high. Ooh. Wow. So there's the Volga and the seaside. And on this side we have the port of Durrës. And we can also see the new bridge which is still under construction. Well, there's not so much to do here. You can just walk around the little watchtower. I don't get it, it's a very low watchtower. I get it when they build it. Those buildings were not there. But it's a nice little thing to visit and it's free. No reason not to do it. Let's go back down and let's have a look in the streets around here. Have to be very careful here. Okay guys, that was the watchtower of Durrës. Let's have a quick look at the new bridge that they are constructing here. It seems like they definitely want to promote this area here as a tourist destination. And the nice thing about this bridge is that at the other side we have this beautiful street, straight out of Los Angeles, for example. The only giveaway is of course the mosque at the end of the street. But look how beautiful lined up these trees are. Look at these buildings and these trees, guys, they're super high. So beautiful, the palm trees with the blue sky. Wow guys, how beautiful is this here? It's amazing. That's also Albania, guys. It's beautiful. We have arrived here at the end of the street. Wow, look at that, guys. There's a beautiful square as well with some fountains. But first we're going to the amphitheater. I think it's up these stairs here. There are a lot of tourists here. French tourists, Dutch tourists. Both languages I can understand. We can have a look here. Now we just need to find the entrance. We're going all the way up here. I hope it's going to be worth it. I think this is the biggest amphitheater in the Balkans. We're walking back down on the other side, so it doesn't look like we had to go all the way up to find the entrance. We even have a car passing by here. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
300?
Yes.
Not many people.
Yeah. Just for one?
Yes, just for me.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not paying for these people.
Yeah. Okay, this is sure.
Yeah,
Just
thank you.
Zabieram dla Państwa klucz, żeby już nie trzeba było się tu wlapywać. Także zawsze jestem woźnym amfiteatru.
I think I'm stuck in a group of Russian tourists. So a ticket costs 300 lek, which is about €3. We are under the amphitheater now, under the seats. Maybe I should not follow this group here. Let's go up here. Let's have a quick look. Wow. I don't know if we can just walk anywhere here. I don't want to destroy this heritage, of course. This must be thousands years old. Hello.
Hello,
Where are you from?
from Poland.
Poland. Everyone here?
Yeah, mostly.
Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
and we are from?
Belgium.
Yeah, how are you?
Hi man, nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
We are same
Yeah.
same stuff, yeah. Take care.
Bye bye man.
Bo nie wyszło nawet.
So they're not from Russia, they're from Poland. I find it pretty impressive how they have just built the houses right around the amphitheater. Like as close as they can. You would think that they would leave some distance from this very ancient amphitheater. I am now in the heart of the amphitheater. I can actually perform for all the people here. Let's walk up this hill here. I'm not sure we're getting out of this building here. There's a fence. Ooh, can we go here? It's not very clear. Let's have a look. Let's just go up here. I hope we're not destroying any ancient walls here. They asked here at the entrance what's more to see here. She's like, you first have to see everything in the amphitheater. Did you go down here and there? She said, I have to go down here. And there will be a church and the mosaic. I've been here already, guys. I'm not sure what she means. Where is the church and the mosaic? Is there a mosaic here? Oh, here it is. That's the mosaic. Wow. That's very nice. I guess this is like, this looks a bit like a church. What is that? I think they still have to excavate this part. Because I read on the sign that they only found this in 1966, which is not that long ago actually. So probably they have to go further here. And I'm guessing that they don't dare to do it because of all the houses above. And it's really good to cool down in there. Let's quickly go under here as well. Not so much more to see here. It's a good place to do hide and seek here. Guys, that was it from Durres, the second biggest city of Albania. I hope I could give you a little impression of the city. I would say there's not that much to do, but it's really nice to be at the seaside. And of course you have this wonderful street to which I'm walking again now. Thank you guys for watching. Share the video, like it. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and I will definitely answer them. And see you guys for the next video. Ciao.